Welcome back. In this video, we are going to be talking about weld, trim, and intersect, which are one of the basic tools used for shaping in CorelDRAW. And weld, trim, and intersect always appear when we select one or more objects like this. I have objects like this, two objects like this. If I select these two objects, hold your shift key, then select the second one. It will appear. Here is the weld, trim, and intersect. They are very important. They always appear at the property bar. So the weld tool, let me select this tool. The weld tool takes two or more shapes and combine them into a single shape. It does this by giving the final shape the same properties as the selected target shape. So if I want to weld this now, for me to make it these two shapes to become a single shape, for me to do that, let me click on this weld box, hold your shift key, click on the green box, then weld it. Now you have a single shape. You have a single green shape now. Okay, let me do that. Let me combine it with the magenta one. Hold your shift key, click on it. Wow, so now we have a single magenta shape. The shape is just like H. So that's what we use our weld tool is. Now we can move it at once. So the weld tool is used for combining one or two shapes to become a single shape. The next one is trim. Trim is all about cutting. This one, trim. Trim is all about cutting objects. The key of using trim tool is to decide which object needs to be trimmed or which objects you are going to use to trim. For example, now we have two objects here. We have the red object and we have the self object. While you want to trim, you need to decide the object that is to be trimmed and the object that you are going to use to trim. Like now, I want to make a crescent shaped moon. I have two objects, a white circle and a yellow circle. I want to use this red circle. We are using this red circle to trim the yellow circle. So how can you do that? You click on the red circle, press your shift key, click on the yellow circle, then we trim. Trim just to cut out a portion. Once I click on it, then remove the red. So here is my crescent shaped moon I form from trimming two objects. So that is what trim is basically used for. With time, as we go on, we get to understand this. Then the next one is what? Intersect. Next one we have here is intersect. Intersect helps to create an extra object using overlapping shapes. Okay, now we are going to put a teeth. We're going to put the teeth inside of the mouth of this our smiling guy right here, of this our Idan here. We are going to put a teeth here in this our Idan emoji. How can we do that? By applying this principle of intersect. Now we have this shape here. Normally this emoji, without this shape, this emoji don't have a teeth. This our Idan don't have a teeth. So we have to apply teeth to it by using the principle of intersect. Now let me place this object now on top of it. Then once you click on it, then hold your shift key, click on the mouth, then you have intersect. So the intersect will create an extra object at the point of intersection. So I click on it. Now we have our extra object. Let me delete this other one. Now this is the extra object created. and now we have teeth. Let me color it orange. Wow. Now our Idana has a teeth. Wow. Our Idana have a teeth. Okay, another principle behind this intersect is that, let me use another principle. We have an object like this. So a red object, and I have a star. Let me draw a star shape. A star shape blue. If I intersect this star shape to this object, an extra shape will be what? Created. Okay, I'll click on the star shape, hold your shift key, click on the red object, intersect. Okay, I'm doing the star shape. Now this is the extra shape created. You have something like this. It's the extra shape created. So that's the work of intersect. So with a good understanding of the principle of trim, intersect, and weld, will make shaping in CorelDRAW very easy for you. Make shaping in CorelDRAW at ease for you. So I will encourage you to make time to study this weld, trim, and intersect, because it will be helpful in your designing journey. So I will see you in the next one.